ERA Environmental Ingenuity at Work 2020 Conference. Get ready to be inspired and excited by the future of EHS technology. Join industry experts, consultants, manufacturers, and engineers in Detroit at the historic Colony Club. 3 days of sessions, technology spotlights, case studies, workshops, and industry breakout groups designed to supercharge your team and your technology. Exciting product announcements and upgrades, including the launch of ERA's Consultant Partnership Program. We're joining forces with North America's leading EHS consultants to reach a whole new level of EHS expertise. Plus, ERA is celebrating its 25th anniversary and invites you to celebrate this landmark year with us at an unforgettable evening event. Vision 2020, Automated Intelligence, Collaboration, ERA Ingenuity at Work, exploring the intersection of automation, artificial intelligence, and collaboration.